Hello everyone, welcome back to Bug's Kitchen channel, and today's video we're going to cook stir-fried chili with scrambled egg. So let's go. We need here chili. We're going to smash it a bit, and then we're going to slice it like this way. Ikat lang natin ito guys yung ating chili na pag ganito guys. Ayan. Turuan ko kayo kung paano. So, we need here 2 eggs. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. Konti lang guys. Going to add a little bit of chicken powder. Optional lang to. Optional lang lagay natin. Optional. And then we're going to get it. In a pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil. And then we're going to cook our egg. We're going to scramble it. And set aside. And now we're going to add a little bit of oil again, and then we're going to cook our chilies. Cook it in a medium slow fire. Add a pint of salt. And then stir it. Medium low fire lang ginamit ko dito na taas ng apoy para yung chili natin hindi talagang matusta, yung parang magsusoften lang siya hanggang lalabas yung aroma ng spicy ng chili. We're going to add our egg and stir it again. And now it's done. That simple recipe that Chinese loves too, especially in the morning. So, may manto ako dito guys na din steam. And then, I'm going to make it as a fillings in my steam buns. And it's just, the chili is not so spicy guys. And that's it. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.